body.
Good choice of book.
You're looking in shape, Olympia, might I say. And boys and girls, Olympia's got our first food factory lesson of the week. It's all about vitamins and minerals. We know vitamins and minerals are vital to maintain our vital organs, our skin, our teeth, our bones. They're very, very important. So our first learning task this week is to research all of the different vitamins and minerals out there and to find sources and then to show what good and use they do in the body.
So we're going to be providing you with a couple of links, different links for Reception Year 1 and Year 2, Year 3 and 4 and 5 and 6. So choose the link that's appropriate for you, watch the videos that we're giving you on vitamins and minerals, and then see if you can come up with a way to show the things that you've learned. We are thinking about a poster. Could you give a presentation to somebody in your family? Could you make it colourful and eye-catching so other people are going to want to learn the information that you have been lucky enough to learn about?
Winton,
How far can you go?